What's up, YouTube, man? Back with another POV video, man. Just got out work. Felt like just doing a little video for y'all, doing a little update for y'all. Cutting up just a little bit, not too much. I got tires in the back. I'm gonna show y'all. I got tires in the back for y'all. So y'all don't think like I'm stupid. I'm just gonna be burying these bitches. No, I don't got no fucking tires. But nah, I got tires in the back. So you ain't gotta worry about shit like that. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all them tires real quick. Like if I can really like get it. On shit. Yeah, bitch right there. Got tires in the back. You know what I'm saying? Alright, yeah, these niggas going a little too slow. Don't lie, niggas going too slow. Shit's annoying. Yeah, this just a little POV, you know what I'm saying? Snow just hit down. It's 34 degrees. We just gonna chill today. You know what I'm saying? Just a little daily drive, you know what I'm saying? I might be done with cutting up just cause like, I want to be safe. I want to make sure all my people that follow me, subscribers that follow me, do the same thing. Make sure they be safe. That's the number one thing. Be safe and get your bread and grind. That's all you gotta do to be successful and have a passion to do it. If you don't have passion to go for the goals and dreams you want to do, there ain't no point in you doing it because I feel like you just forcing yourself because you want it for the money or stuff like that. Like, to be honest, bro, like, at first, I'm gonna keep it a whole stack. Like, at first, I was thinking about YouTube as, like, damn, like, this shit can make me mad money, mad bread, woo, woo. Now I'm like, you know, because like, on TikTok, I'm doing decent. Like, now I'm seeing how other people is and, like, how other people look at this, like, perspective and stuff like that. And it's just like, damn, like, let me, like, chill with thinking, like, it's a money thing because it's not, like, This is like I'm like the voice for like some of the people that, you know, like don't have the opportunity I'm giving. Like, I mean, I don't got 1,000 subscribers, I don't got 10,000, I don't got whatever, but like me having 200 subs and the replies I be getting on TikTok, cause I got like almost 4K on there. The replies I be getting on Instagram, I almost got 1K on there. Like, it's like, damn, like it's like I gotta speak for y'all, cause like, you know, like a lot of people going through a lot of different things nowadays. Like, you know, like the world's getting crazier and crazier, and for me to have the opportunity to where I could pick up this phone and record for y'all and, you know, like show y'all my life, I love it. Like, it's not even about the money no more. Like, I'm so used to doing this now. Like, it's like a daily thing for me. Like, just picking up my camera, seeing how I can get content for y'all, seeing how I can make somebody else's day happy. Like, I feel like that's what YouTube is all about. It's all about like you creating content, entertaining people, making other people happy, you know. And I feel like that's what I failed to believe at first, but now since I'm like really starting to like see and understand like how all this stuff is working, like me doing my research, me getting a following, like, you know, like don't get me wrong, like this all takes time. Like, people think that YouTube is just easy, but it's like, nah, bro. Like, I almost got 100 videos and I'm only at 200 subs. But I mean, you know, I appreciate it though. Like, I love it. Like, I love the fact that I'm working hard to become successful. Because if it was easy, everybody would do it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's real rare to see like somebody's real successful and they speak on it. You know, like they want other people to do it. Like I ain't gonna lie. Like, if this video goes viral, like, I got a lot of people I want to shout out. Like, Vontae 1K is like my #1 YouTuber right now, bro. Like, he like the way his mindset is just like mine. Like, I fuck with that shit so much, bro. Like, if y'all don't know who Vontae 1K is, bro, I'm gonna add him in the description when I edit this video. Cause like y'all don't understand, bro. Like, that nigga like really helped me through like the situation like I was in, like before I started doing YouTube. Like, I would watch him, I'm like, damn, like this nigga just got a Hellcat 19. Damn, this nigga had a straight 8. Damn, this, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just back to back. Like this nigga can't be stopped. Like, I fuck with that like mentality. And like now since I'm watching him, I'm taking in his advice. I'm like, you know what I'm saying? I'm learning off the person I look up to and I'm manifesting to. Like, I'm doing the same thing now. Now people are doing the same thing that I was doing to Vontae. Like, I'm telling y'all, like what these YouTubers be saying, y'all, bro, they like, it's true. Like, like the influence you have, like it really is powerful, bro. Like imagine if I was a rapper and I was talking about killing. Like, that's all people going, you like, you know, like that's all the people that look up to you gonna do is think like, damn, if I gotta be like this, I gotta sell weed, I gotta this. You know what I'm saying? Like, nah, that's not even the case. Like just being yourself and appreciating the opportunities that God give your way, that like it'll make you so successful in life. Like, I love the fact that like I even have this RT. Like you know what I'm saying? Like blah, 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 blah. Like I was even able to I don't even know why I got over it. But like the fact that I'm even able to have a car that I built, basically, like, you know what I'm saying? I put long tubes on it. Like just like the thought of me building a car is like amazing to me. Like I could never, like when I was younger, I promise y'all, bro, all I did was play video games. I thought that was the way to become a YouTuber, just play games. But now as I'm getting older, looking at better people, looking at other ways to, you know, like thrive and do this, do that, I love it, bro. Like I'm starting to love my life. Like even though, you know, I still got court and stuff like that to go to, and like that's like my freedom and stuff, but I mean, like nothing inside is telling me that I'm going to jail or like anything bad is going to happen, you know? Like it's just all positivity. Like that's all I'm getting in my life, and I love it, bro. Like being positive was like my number one decision. Cause I'll be honest, y'all, bro, when I was younger, I made a lot of mistakes. I've done a lot of stupid shit, and I don't regret it, because look at the man I am today. Like I love the life that I live. Like it's not the best right now, but I know with me keep grinding, me keep having this motivation, I'm gonna get there. Like I'm gonna get to the top. You know what I'm saying? Like ain't nothing gonna stop me from getting to the top. Like if y'all have a dream, passion, whatever it is, chase that shit, bro. Like ain't nobody, bro, like literally can't nobody stop you from doing whatever the fuck you want to do. If you really want that shit and you really fucking hungry, go get it, bro. Like that's what I keep trying to tell my homies right now. Like a lot of my homies are like, bro, CJ, how you keep going after this happened? How you keep, you know what I'm saying? You just had a crack rim. How you, There's, bro, my parents always taught me there's 10